It's an interesting late Sunday morning and I make my way to catch a variety of high-speed trains on Brightline's Orlando Line. I first set up at Innovation Way where I saw BLF 702, the Princess Cruises Wrap train headed west towards the Orlando Airport station after its northbound trip from Miami. Few minutes later comes BLF 701, the BrightGreen train, as it takes off east towards Cocoa for its southbound trip to Miami. Moving to International Corporate Park Blvd, which was located next to Innovation Way, to catch the next 3 Brightline trains, including 2 southbound trains, flies over 100 miles per hour above from the bridge, starting at this spot with BLF 720, the northbound BrightPink train. Later on, BLF 702, the same wrap livery from the previous northbound train, makes its southbound journey as it flies out of the Orlando Airport station. Additionally, another southbound train makes its appearance few minutes after the previous southbound train, BLF 732, a passenger train service that usually operates on Fridays and Sundays and departs from the Orlando Airport station 15 minutes after the 11:50 a.m. departure, with the BrightOrange train making its additional southbound journey to Miami. And that concludes the 5 Brightline trains that were taken at Innovation Way and International Corporate Park Blvd. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.